guys, today we will show you step by step how you can mount the RR kit for 990 or 950 KTM Adventure. The first step, very simple, you remove the OEM windscreen. Don't forget to keep the OEM bolts because you will use them later. Another step, you have to take out these 3 bolts from the side fairing. When the bolts are out, you take it like this and you put it aside, just like that, nothing else. Such a grip, you take your both hands. In between these 2 holes, there is hook, so you have to lift it like that. Yeah, and here from outside, you just take it out. Yeah, and then you disconnect the connector. Because you will need this black plastic holder, you need to take out the headlight. It's on 4 bolts. Yes, so just take them out and you get the plastic. Now you take the upper holder, M6 bolts with the washer and the nut, and you bolt on to the upper holes. In original, you can see here 4 holes. Yeah, so to the lower one goes the navigation holder, to the upper goes our holder for the LED light. If you have 950, then your bike is probably missing this low bracket. So instead of it, you will get from us this support part, and you have to mount it there. You use the M6 bolts, and you mount it in the holes used for the horn holder. On the other side are 2 holes as well. So this is how you put it there, and then you will sit the headlights in here. Now you need to assemble the headlights and the bracket. Also very simple. You use the M5x16 bolts. The important thing is the low beam with the longer tube goes to the lower position, and the high beam with the shorter tube goes to the upper position. Then you see, by releasing the bolts, you can set up the direction of the light. Now you insert the headlights. First you connect the headlights. First you put it to the bottom and then put the top. Next step, we just bolt on the headlights. So to the upper mount goes the M5 with a washer, and to the low position goes the M6x10, the short ones, with a lock tooth washer.
Akce.
Now you put back the plastic windscreen holder, first the top, and then you lock one side, lock the other side, yeah, and then you put back the side fairings, and you can use the OEM bolts to bolt on the fairing, and then you bolt on with the OEM bolts the windscreen. Now the windscreen is on, and the last step, you put on the plexi cover. You use the 4 M4 rubber nuts and M4 bolts because it's plexiglass, so you have to be very careful when you tie it. Yeah? If you over tie it, it will crack. So please softly. The installation is finished. Now we are getting actually stronger LED lights, more space for navigation, and we believe also more ready look of your bike. Yeah? So you can start enjoying actually